everyone, today I'm going to be testing out this laundry shoe bag. So I have super dirty shoes here. These are my brother's. You can see there's just mud in every crevice, every corner. And this shoe bag can fit up to 15, 16, probably even 17. For reference, these are 11s. So we're going to be cleaning these in the video. I'm going to first show you what comes in the box. So it comes with 2 laundry shoe bags. On the inside, it is microfiber to keep your shoes protected. And then on the side, it comes with a mesh. So it comes with 2 of those. Then it has these, which are like extenders to keep your shape in the shoe. So when they're drying, you just pop these in, and it allows it to not shrink. It comes with a manual. And then last but not least, it comes with these deodorant balls. You can pop these in your shoes every single time after you're done wearing. So every single time you just pop these in. It comes with 6 inside. This is basically what they are. And then it comes with this. And they smell really good. And they just keep your shoes from smelling up your bag if they're in your shoes or just anywhere else. So now we're just going to put the shoes in the bag. Here's one last look at them. You can see they're literally black. So I'm just going to plop them in. And here, again, these are size 11, and look how much space there are left. So, now, this is the zipper. It's super nice because you put it through here. You pull it through, and then it's kind of like a safety pin, and you pin it so that it doesn't unzip. There we go. So, now all we do is just put them in. I'm going to throw just one of these in. Put it on normal. And then they're ready to wash. I'm just going to also quickly put these in so they don't lose their shape. But overall, I just love this laundry bag. It helps keep my shoes nice and protected. So again, if you're looking for anything to keep your shoes from getting destroyed in the laundry or from shrinking, then this would be a great purchase.